All right, guys, time to take a look at Kadena here. And as you can see on the 4-hour time frame, guys, it is pulling back a little bit. Now, keep in mind, this is a daily support right here, and this is a weekly resistance. So looking at this on the 4-hour time frame is the wrong time frame to look at this, really. Just wanted to show you how it's been dumping over the last, 3 hours and, 40 minutes or so. So yeah, actually that pullback is due to Bitcoin, guys. Bitcoin has been pulling back all day today. Basically, it has filled the gap. It did go up to, I think, like less than $20 of the gap. So, in my opinion, guys, that's close enough. Although many people will say, oh, there's a $20 CME gap, but I don't think that matters too much right now. So, let's get back to Kadena. Kadena, though, on the daily time frame is still green. Like I said, if it closes over 96, say, actually 95 cents, sorry, 95 cents right here, that will be good. We will, have sealed this as support, basically, this orange line. And you can see that we have gotten rejected on a weekly time frame resistance at $1.06. So let's see where we close later today. However, last 5 days for Kadena has just been up, guys. And yeah, it's getting a nice little push today. So taking a look at Kadena, the tokenomics, yeah, only 1 billion max supply, guys. That's really nice to see. Circulating supply is only about 30% of that. So that's really excellent, guys. If we take a quick look at the high for Kadena, about $27.64 is the all-time high, guys. So keep in mind, this is down 96.5% at the moment. So that's basically, it's a steal, guys, at this price still. At just over $1, I mean, you still have a 27x. Now, a lot of people, will say Kadena is dead, but I don't believe it, guys. One of the founders of Kadena was actually mentioned in the Bitcoin white paper, guys. So keep that in mind. Now, let's take a quick look at the Tokenomics here. As it says, 30% is unlocked. And it looks like every day there's, like 122,000 Kadena, I guess, released. There is no really event that it's showing. So I don't know if they're going to unlock anything, but it looks like they're just unlocking about 122,000 of this per day. Taking a look at the total market cap here, guys, we are seeing a little bit of a pullback, but we have had like 7 straight days of green. Now keep in mind, this is with Bitcoin. If we take a look without Bitcoin, excluding Bitcoin, as you see here, on a weekly time frame, we're getting a little doji candle here, but let me put this on a daily time frame. Okay, yesterday we did get a red doji candle. It kind of tested this line right here at 1.27, and that's basically this little swing high over here. So basically our high of March 2024, it retested that. So that's kind of good to see because it did get a bounce, and it got close to retesting that today, although it didn't. But right now, sitting at 1.34 trillion, and that's excluding Bitcoin, guys. So we could still have a nice green candle here, and then, this could be down. And look at the dominance, guys. That's basically why the total 2 is almost green, and the total market cap with Bitcoin is red. Dominance is going down like a rock, guys. Now, yesterday, you can see it had a green candle, but remember the day before that and Saturday, guys, it closed below this little trend line that I drew, which basically extends all the way back to middle July. So yeah, guys, we are seeing a rejection and a really big pullback right now for Bitcoin on the dominance. So I'm really excited to see that, guys. Altcoins are still actually not doing too bad, considering Bitcoin has had a pullback, of what now? Okay, it's only about $3,000. It is coming up a little bit, But yeah, I think this is scaring a lot of people, and they're probably taking their money and putting it, into altcoins right now. They probably think that, close to 100,000 was the top. And yeah, guys, I don't think that's it for Bitcoin though. So taking a look at the altcoin season index, guys, as you see here, it says it's not altcoin season, but guys, I did say once it got to about 50 or so, you're probably going to see it go up to altcoin season fairly quickly, because we haven't been above, what, like 46 or so in a very long time, guys. It's been back to April of 2024. So I do think we're primed to run up to altcoin season very shortly. Now, fear and greed, 82. Yesterday it was at 80. Little bit surprised to see that, but I guess with Bitcoin getting kind of a bullish hammer candle here, yeah, maybe I can expect that. Now, anyways, let's take a quick look at the Pi cycle indicator, guys. I just want to show this to you. This is one indicator that has done very well in the past predicting the top for Bitcoin. Now, when they cross, that is a bad signal. So this goes, I'm only showing you back to October of 2022, but you can see, guys, they have not crossed, but it is starting to come up now, but that's going to take a long time to cross, guys. I wouldn't worry about it. But this indicator has signaled within like a day or two the end of Bitcoin's run. Now, taking a look at crypto bubbles, guys, still looks pretty good across the board. Most things are green. Few things which, were pretty green over the weekend. Looks like they might have a little bit of a pullback, like Arweave, for example, had an excellent weekend. Seeing a little bit of downside today, guys. I know Sol just, had a nice week last week, all-time highs and things like that. It's, it's prime for a pullback, of course. So anyways, guys, if you want to stake your Kadena, let's go here. I'll show you how this works. Go to Earn, and you type in KDA, and you have Kadena. And yeah, guys, you have a list of places where you can stake it. I actually have mine in Bybit, actually. And there's only a few places, it looks like. So Bybit, Binance, or KuCoin. And basically, it's 1% or less. So not much of a choice there, guys. But anyways, yeah, if you like this video about Kadena, guys, give it a like, subscribe, activate the bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one.